Apple entering the metaverse right now, as it stands, is a concept that is fiction. Now, is Apple going to dominate in the metaverse? Maybe. But we're not going to know that until they actually release a product. And I believe Facebook Oculus is too far ahead. They bought this company in 2014. Oculus was founded in 2012. These are the years. Unfortunately, Steve Jobs died in 2011. He very likely would have purchased Oculus if he was alive, because he's the innovator, right? Apple doesn't have their innovator anymore. Apple's behind. They didn't even come out with like these the Ray-Ban stories. Everybody came out with their own version of Ray-Ban stories. Snapchat has theirs. Ray-Ban has theirs. All these companies have theirs. Where's the Apple Glass? They haven't done anything. They barely innovate with these iPhones. And you want to tell me that they're going to innovate in the metaverse? I'll believe it when I see it. I think I said this in the last video. But when Steve Jobs was around, you never heard about Apple leaking stuff, leaking information. But now that's all they seem to want to do. They're leaking information that, we're coming out with like Apple Car, and it's going to be ready in like 10 years. No, not 10 years, but or we're coming out with what's the other one? VR headsets. And this is like in theory what we're trying to create. But when Steve Jobs was creating the MacBook, when he was creating the iPhone, he put together secret teams. Nobody could leak any information. And he built the best product possible and dominated the marketplace. Now, Apple seems like they're just trying to catch up and sway consumers' minds to know, okay, Oculus exists, but I'm just going to wait 10 years for Apple to come out with their product. Is it worth it to wait 10 years when you can just spend $300 and buy the thing that's already available now? So there's a lot of this propaganda. They're geniuses at marketing. They might not produce the best products, but they know how to keep themselves relevant and market themselves as though they're relevant. And they know that they're behind, so they're doing all these Chinese whispers, trying to make us all believe that they're oh no, we're not behind. We're doing this thing too. We're not even talking. I believe the Apple Car is a distraction. It's a lie and a distraction. They said they're doing Apple Car because they know about Facebook's metaverse, and they know that they're so far behind. They're not even close. And so they're trying to put out this message that, we're not even focusing on the metaverse. We're focusing on cars. Where are the cars? My thing is, when I see it, I'll believe it. Right now, it's fiction. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. It really pushes this video out in the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pro. We help brands and influencers scale their influence and sales. So if that is useful to you, head on over to our website, click the link down below, and find out how we can help you. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me. You can buy our course, the Members Lab, and we have so many more resources. So go on and check that out. All right, let's begin. All I know is that Oculus exists and they're going to dominate the metaverse because they have, by the time you come out, they're going to have 10, 15 years ahead of you. So stop worrying about what Apple's doing. It's all branding. It's all marketing. It's all Chinese whispers, and it's all fiction. And I'll just say it like this. Until I see it, until I see the product and I evaluate the product, I don't believe a word that's coming out of their mouths. And what I have to say is, unfortunately, they've lost their pioneer innovator, Steve Jobs, but Facebook has theirs. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Am I too harsh on Apple? I know in previous videos when I talked about Apple's metaverse journey, I was very generous. I was very excited, but that was before I wore a pair of Oculus headsets and saw the future right in my hands. Let me say it this way. I experienced the future. Then I realized, wait a minute. And then I hear about this iPhone, this new one. This is the 12. I hear about the new one that everyone's getting. Well, no one's getting. I hear about the new one that nobody's getting. No one cares about the iPhone anymore. Let's be real. Who really cares to get an iPhone? It's the same thing. All you have to do is upgrade your iOS and you have the same exact phone. The only thing they improve are the cameras. And as I am a filmmaker, I still have better cameras than them. Anyway, yeah, I know I sound pretty harsh. Those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time.